Carboard Quest
at all.
Hello and welcome to our final instalment, the 5th episode of Carboard Quest tutorials. Today we are making another garment. Go with our hairdos. We're all, I think, doing slightly different things.
Yeah.
This time, aren't we? Which is really
We are.
cool. Yeah, why don't we get into it?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm going to make. I'm going to put my microphone down. Some. Thank you. They couldn't hear me otherwise. Like some shoulder
Wow.
decorative pieces, and I might go up behind as well if it doesn't take too long. Bit like Elton style with his like wacky costumes.
Yeah,
That's
shoulder
my
pads are
vibe.
the thing, aren't they?
Yeah.
Right, let's go over here.
Yeah, I was looking at kind of makeup and famous kind of facial kind of costumes. So I'm going to create a pair of glasses, include the Kiss makeup and the David Bowie lightning bolt. I've got something in mind for that.
That's really cool.
Let's do it.
Get going.
Right, so as you saw, I had like a shoulder piece, and I've just used pizza box lids.
That is a really good starting point. It almost gives you a shape
Yeah,
straight away,
it kind
doesn't
of
it,
is
really?
giving me.
But, I mean, you could also just use a normal piece of cardboard
Yeah,
and
not
cut
piece
into
of
some sort
cardboard.
shape.
It's just, yeah, you don't have to use a pizza box. You could just use a square or shape it yourself. Or
Yeah, whatever.
Whatever.
You've looked online for some of the sort
Yeah,
of
a bit of
makeup
inspiration.
designs or
So I'm
from
gonna-
Kiss, but yeah.
I'm
you
also
could
going to use my sunglasses as a bit of a reference to how big I want my eyepieces to be.
Yeah.
So I'm going to do that.
Very much.
Do that.
That's a good plan right there.
And sort of all the way up.
It is kind of handy to have someone to be able to model
yeah,
it on.
definitely.
Not everyone has a mannequin just hanging about in a gaff.
No.
It's one of those things where it's trial and error. It's not hard to rip a bit of tape off
No, it's
and then
not.
stick it back on.
Just a little bit
Definitely.
handy, isn't it?
Be like, wait, come here a minute. I need your help.
Maybe don't
Cover
oi
them.
your parents. Like if your parents when you go oi.
Yeah, maybe don't do that. We've got a shape here that Kate's cutting out.
So.
If you've got long hair like Lily, probably don't have it right in front of you when you're trying to work.
Go away.
Go away!
Let's go for it.
Cardboard, isn't it? Just got to.
Yeah, and if it goes wrong,
Oh,
pretty happy with that.
something's occurring here. So you've attached your two pizza boxes together.
Yeah, by
With
bit
a
of
strip.
cardboard, a strip of cardboard.
Oh, I see.
So then now I should be able to put this on myself.
Oh, nice one. Yeah.
And I probably will have to do another, maybe, or
Another maybe or.
another strip, or I'm just trying to bring.
What's going on in your brain right now?
Heavy rotation.
I don't know. We'll check back in with Lily when she's come back online, I think. Nice. So you've now just used
Literally
the first one as a
traced.
template.
Yeah.
With garments, this is probably where you would get really, really potentially decorative as well.
Decorative.
I mean, we haven't got
Sure.
time, really. We'd be here for hours if we were to get really decorative. I think you've probably got time to get a little bit decorative with yours.
Yeah.
For the people at home, they could spend
Oh, they can spend
days decorating their things if
Yeah.
they wanted to.
Oh,
Yeah,
that's
of course.
Such a numpty. Look, it's really growing my hair. Maybe it won't.
Oh, might take your eyelashes off and your eyebrows off in the process.
I don't know how. It's alright. It's alright. Try.
You could just cut.
Shabba.
That's looking pretty good.
Yeah.
Feeling great.
Feeling great, feeling good. Oh, you dropped a bit of cardboard.
Yeah, no, I just can't
Oh.
let it.
Okay.
I let it do that.
Oh, what's that under here?
Well,
Here. It's Chester's 10-second takeover! Whoa! Right then.
get my timer.
Well, you at home might be thinking, oh, I just don't have enough time to get involved in Cardboard Quest this year. And to you I say,
Rubbish.
shush. And shush now. Shush now. Just shush now. And come and watch this. That 10 seconds is actually all you need to make something. It won't be amazing. Well, it will be amazing because it has got someone's address on it. So we'll try and keep that.
Our own address.
Someone's ours.
Yeah, ours. Is a cape.
Okay.
A cape.
To go with your lucky
Yeah.
slots.
But I'm
Hanging on by a thread.
They're hanging on. Absolutely fine.
3, 2, 1.
Go!
Oh my
Halfway.
goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh
That's
my.
fine.
Okay, I've made the thing. I just got to get it on my head.
You're not getting that on your head.
That's what you think. Oh, it's okay. It's a disconnecting cape that you
Oh,
can.
you're gonna lose all your hair in a minute.
Disaster. There we go. Look, made that on purpose. Detaching cape.
Yeah.
Right.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah,
I'm
okay.
sure that's actually quite cool.
I think you
Yeah.
need to.
Yeah.
Do you know what, mate? All of the things I've made are quite cool.
I think
Yeah,
that
so-
one's the best one yet.
Yeah.
That
so there we
actually
go.
That actually is decent.
With the little collar as well. Wow.
We don't exactly know what happened to the drum. It might be Lily's shoulder pads now. But, yeah, so there we go. I mean, look, this is what, in all together, you're looking at 40 seconds worth of time right here. Becoming a
A rock
musical
star, look.
cardboard rock star. Yeah, so, anyway, there we go. So, that has been Chester's 10-second takeover for the final episode of Carboard
I think
Quest.
I'm gonna miss it.
Yeah, I think I
You're
am
gonna
too.
miss it.
Oh, well, that was weird. Alright, so how are we doing? Any updates?
Good. I think I've resized this.
Whoa!
That's cool.
So wait, you did decide to use
Yeah,
sunglasses
so-
in the end?
You got a couple of. Oh my god, my nose. Sorry.
Boogers!
I did as a very quick option.
Yeah.
So obviously, if you have a lot more time, you can make the whole thing out of cardboard yourself. I just know that these
Or
aren't
if
going to
you
stay
wear-
on my face.
If you wear glasses and you need
Yeah.
glasses.
Yeah,
It could be
exactly.
an option if
Yeah.
you're a glasses wearer.
If you're
yeah,
an
there you go, that's a
optically
really good point.
impaired
Yeah.
individual and you need to wear glasses.
Yeah.
And Lewis, how are
so
we doing
I
with
think
yours?
I've resized this now. I can actually get my
Oh,
head
Nice.
Nice
Oh,
one.
That's amazing.
in. So now we
Nice
move on
one.
to making it look more
Yeah,
like
so we'll
something.
move on to decorative.
I'm going to need you as a model again.
Okie dokie.
Right.
So I've started cutting out some fringing. Do I do
Whoa.
it there or do I do it like
Where do you think will be more visually impacting?
probably there? Really?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's great.
Well, the thing is, obviously, if you wanted to spend time, you could do it around the whole
Oh yeah.
shoulder
Yeah,
pad.
that's true.
Oh my gosh. Okay, so
Yeah.
because you've done your sunglasses version, you're gonna
Yeah.
just whip something else up as well, are you?
Yeah, I'm going to go for half David Bowie, half Elton John.
Yeah, so like in the previous episode when I did the mullet, just to make my fringing, I'm just cutting just almost up to the top. And then it just stays all together and this makes
Yeah.
a little fringe.
That's good technique.
Yeah.
That's effective.
Oh, I've
You
done
know
it the
when-
wrong way, but
Okay,
actually I
so-
quite like it with the colour.
Yeah.
Yeah, I
My
thought the
cereal
colour was
as well.
intentional.
Yeah, that's it.
Yeah.
You can use cardboard, the colour that
Yeah.
comes on the cardboard, to your advantage, for
So
sure.
that's where I've got so far.
Yeah, I really love
No.
the crunchy cut.
Cereal.
vibes.
Oh, the boiler's boiling. That bit smaller. Oh, okay.
It's not going to be like that. You're right.
Oh, it's kind of cool as like a hood though.
Can I see out of this?
Don't know,
Yes,
can
I
you?
can.
You're the only one with your eyes.
It is, isn't it?
What?
Only you will ever see out of your own eyes.
Yeah.
It's
Real funny, that.
philosophical on this.
Yeah,
I don't really know what's philosophical about that, to be honest. I think it's just a given statement.
If you really think about it, it's strange.
I'm
isn't it?
really thinking about it.
How am I going to attach this?
I don't know.
Why don't you do your slits
That's your
technique?
Yeah,
That's
yeah,
your
of course.
problem.
Give
Yeah.
yourself a stick.
Give yourself.
Right, I'm doing a little nose bridge now.
Oh, yeah, right.
Measure.
What?
I think what I might do is do like,
You
I'm
gotta do
just going
some
to do a
sort of
whole
strip.
headband and then it's just on.
So you're doing a nice job here of sticking down your like fringe lips.
Yeah.
Forms a nice kind of bonding.
You can do like how many times have I caught my hair in tape count, and it'll be a lot.
Very nice. I feel like we're getting close here.
Yeah,
to be
we are.
honest.
Yeah.
Almond,
Could
just
I just
away.
get your help just to sort of hold it on my face?
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Okay.
Oops.
Oh, my eyes have got a bit wonky.
Get me. You're right there. There's some serious effort put into that.
I was actually shaking.
I made it too
I'm gonna
small.
stick it there.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you.
You stick it. Oh!
Oh.
Oh, hold on, get some tension back into it. Are you alright there? You're having a funny fly. Ho ho ho! We're losing our minds. Hold on. Let me assist here.
Yeah.
Get the master to come in. The 10-second master. Yeah, that's the front, so that'll be fine on the back.
Yeah. Okay.
Oh, nice one! Oh, you're falling apart at the seams here. And then you're never taking it off. They're like swimming goggles. Right.
Oh no!
Oh, no.
So earlier I made some stars with scrap pieces of cardboard. I just made triangles and then taped them together. So I'm just gonna stick some of
Oh,
those
look
on.
at that. That's amazing.
Thanks. Start taping some down if you want.
Yeah. How are you taping them down?
Neatly and nicely.
Do this old technique.
You could, but it won't stay for long.
Really?
Or maybe. Okay.
The technique that we're doing here, what I'm suggesting, is the old turn a bit of tape into double back tape like this, and then just finding your bit of cardboard and plop on
Right,
you go.
can you actually put it where I put it though?
Oh, okay.
My goodness.
That is really good.
That is really good
Really
though.
good though.
It's like pinching my nose in the
Oh, let's see if it's actually going to work when it goes on though.
Oh, what's going on with this?
Oh my god, that's amazing.
Whoa! Nice one.
That's so good.
It's actually.
That's actually like dungarees or something. For
Maybe,
it, like,
yeah.
To hold it down
You
at
can
the
always
front.
just like tape it to your clothes for the
Yeah.
time being.
Somehow. Then yeah. Manoeuvrability becomes an issue.
Yeah, but
Right.
you know.
Well, here we are then. Oh my god, we have got everything on, more or less.
Yeah, more or less.
And I would say pretty successful few sessions.
I think it's been great.
Yeah.
What a band.
Yeah. It's been great. Like, I didn't think we'd make anything as good as this, to be
No.
honest. And we've done pretty well.
Yeah.
I mean, you lot have done pretty well. I've done amazingly. There we go. I hope over the course of these 5 episodes you felt inspired to make something of your own and get involved with Carboard Quest for Hullabaloo.
Woo!
As always, make sure that you get onto the social media with any pictures and videos that you have of making stuff and of wearing stuff. Use the hashtag Carboard Quest. If you want to find out more details about Carboard Quest and the competitive side of it, the competition side of it for judging, then go to www.hullabalooiw.com/Carboard Quest, and there you'll find details. Thanks for watching. Hope you've had fun like we had.
Yeah, so
And-
much fun.
Go out there, get creative, use your imagination, and make some awesome cardboard stuff.
But most of all, have fun. with
Have
it.
fun.
Yeah, just have fun.
Yeah. Bye.
Bye.